What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool video, not deals, but tool review. Okay, so this is the Vanpopubs, Vanpopubs. And what this thing does is, it is a what would you even call this? Hold on. Electric vacuum suction cup. There it is, electric vacuum suction cup, and it's supposed to be able to lift 375 pounds. So today we're going to test that out a bit. I don't have anything that weighs 375 pounds, but I do have something that weighs about 60 pounds. And so we're going to see how that does, and then we'll talk about it. I think that this is going to be really important for people that are wanting to do like remodels for kitchen countertops, bathroom countertops, especially because, as you can see, when it comes to countertops, they are surrounded by wall 3 different ways, and it's hard to carry this thing and put it in a place, right? Because your fingers are going to be in the way. And this is kind of different because they had left a gap here for the end piece. But generally, these things butt directly up against the wall, and you'll need something to hold it in the middle. And I actually have to replace this whole thing. So this thing came right on time. So here's a little thing that we're going to try to pick up here. This is a solid flat surface right up here. So let's go ahead and test this bad boy out. Now I read the instructions. So the first thing we're supposed to do is I'm going to put it here, and I'm going to push the on button. I think I hold it for 2 seconds. There we go. And it has a battery. The battery has a indicator on there, which I like. All right, so it's giving me an error. It's not working. Maybe this platform is not flat enough. Let's see. Or maybe I have to push down on it. And I'm wondering if the pressure's supposed to build up right there. Okay, so there's something going on. Let me check it out. Let me troubleshoot. Well, I won't be able to exactly pick this up, but let's just go ahead and see if it'll get pressure on this thing. There we go. And so yeah, that's on there. And to get it off, you can see it lost a little bit of pressure from me trying to lift it up. Now 60. Okay, so you turn it off, you do this. Well, you heard it relax itself, and now I can pick it up just fine. All right, so here's another surface. I'm gonna use this tabletop. I'm gonna try to pick this up. It's marble and it's kind of heavy. So let's try this. Put it right in the middle. Turn it on. I think the EcoFlow top was just, well, it's not doing nothing here either. Oh, there we go. I've had to push down on it. All right, I had to push down on it. So moment of truth here, let's pan out. Oh, God dang, it worked. It worked. That's still heavy, though. Still heavy. But that was good, though, because even this, when I was picking this up, like it pinched my hands because it's so close on the edges, you know what I mean? So, yeah, this thing it's a nice little tool here. Now, let's go ahead and look at the pricing because I totally forgot what this costs. All right, so we see this thing is $99 with a $10 coupon on their Amazon store. So I don't know. I don't think that's too bad. It works. Now, even after running it, I ran it a couple more times. It's still, that battery's still on 100. So nice long battery life. So yeah, so I don't really know whether this is a good value at $89. I would, to me, it seems, I don't know. I've never seen one of these tools before. So you guys let me know in the comments, but so far, this thing works. I can't speak on its longevity, but it works really, really good. It works fast. The battery life, seems to like it lasts quite a long time. So, and it charges really, really, really quick. So anyway, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. There'll be a link to this in the description, and I'll see you guys next time.